In this video, we're gonna to know what is the meaning of cramer rule. Cramer rule is the method that you can solve any question that has three equations, or which is called system of three equations. Okay, how we can deal with this, or how we can do it by using cramer rule. It's like matrix, how we can get the answers using the determinant of matrices. Okay, let's see. The first thing, what should we do? If you wanted to get cramer rule, you should get the determinant of this system, then the determinant x of the system, then the determinant y of the system, then the determinant z of the system. Then we're gonna to make the operation. If you wanna x, you will do determinant x over d. If you wanna y, you will get the determinant y over d. If you wanna x or z, you will do the determinant z over determinant of this matrix. Okay, let's see. If you wanted to get d alone, what should you do? If you wanted to get the d of this matrix, you will take the coefficient of x in here, then the coefficient of y here, then coefficient of z here. So let's see a question here. If I wanna to get the determinant of matrix, you will get the coefficient of x, which is 2, 1, and 3. Write it here, 2, 1, 3. Then the determinant of y here, 1, 2, negative 1, you will put here. Then the coefficient of z, negative 1, positive 1, negative 1, you will put here. So here you get the determinant of the original matrix. Okay, if you wanted the determinant of y, what you will do, you will remove, for example, I wanted the determinant of y. You will remove the coefficient of y, which is 1 and 2 and negative 1. You will remove it and put instead of it the answers 1, 8, and negative 2 here, and continue this matrix. Again, if you wanted the the determinant of x, you will remove x. You will remove x like this here, and put the answers 1, 8, negative 2 in this column, and put the original determinant of matrix. Okay, if you want a z, what you will do, the same. You will remove the coefficients of z and put the answers of this matrix and put the rest like it. And that's all. Okay, then what you will do, you will solve these determinants as you know in the previous videos, how you can get the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. It's so easy. You will choose any row and column and put the sign, positive, negative, and so on, and get the answer. Let's see in the first one. I will take 2 first. When you put 2, what is the sign? You'll start with positive, so the sign will be positive. You will cancel the same row and same column to get the rest, 2, 1, negative 1, and negative 1. Amazing. What about the second 1? What about the sign of 1? As we said, positive, negative, positive. So you will take negative 1 and cancel the same row and same column like this, and take the rest, 1, negative 1 here, negative 1, negative 1 here. Okay, what about the third? The last number in this column that you choose, 3. What is the sign of 3? Remember, positive, then negative, positive. So it will be positive 3. Okay, I want to know the rest. You will cancel the same row and some column to get 1, negative 1, 2, and 1. Is that hard? Okay, then what should we do? You will get the determinant here, cross multiplication. 2 times negative 1 will be negative 2, and negative 1 times 1, negative 1, and put the opposite to be positive 1, and so on. 1 times negative 1, negative 1, and negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1, and put the opposite negative 1. Then 1 times 1 will be 1, and 2 times -1, -2, and put the opposite +2 and get this operation to get 9. Is that hard? And so on, dx and dy and dz. Once you remove the coefficients of x and put the answers, you will choose any column or row. Here, choose this column and go on with the same steps. 1 will be positive, here negative, here positive, so it will be +1, -8, and -2. Positive, -2 will be -2. What else? If you wanted the matrix, you will cancel. If you take 1, you will cancel this row and this column to get the rest to 1 and -1, -1, and so on. Okay, after you got all of these, what you will do, you'll get here, you got here d and dx and dy, which is 18, and dz, which is 27, and you will put in this rule to get the variables. If you want to x, you will do dx over d, so it will be 9 over 9, 1. If you want to y, you will do dy over d, which is 18 over 9. If you want a z, what you will do, you will get 27, which is dz over d, which is 9, to get 3. And that's all. So it's the same sequence. What about if you wanna to solve 2 by 2? The same. We'll put matrix x, matrix y. There is here no matrix z. So you will take 2, 4, 3, -3, -2 here. Then, if you want to see x, what you will do, you will remove x, 2 and 4, and put 3 and 10, and here -3, -2. If you want to see y, what you will do, you will remove -3 and -2, and put instead of it the answer, and put 2 and 4. Then, you will solve here 2 by 2, so you will do cross multiplication. 2 times 2. 2 times -2 is -4, and 4 times -3, -12, put the opposite, +12. You get 8 here, 3 times -2, -6, and -3 times 10, -30, the opposite, +30, and put 24, and so on. So what you got here is cx, cy. What you will do, you will get x by cx over c. So it will be 24 divided by 3. If you want a y, cy, which is 8 over c, to get 1. So you have here x equals 3 and y equals 1. And that's all. Thank you.